Welcome back. We have been discussing principles to realize the strategic intent of your business. And we have looked at 4. This is the 5th, which is titled Expect Challenges, Prepare to Overcome. In the last part of the subject, we already treated 4 threats to business success. In this concluding part, we will treat 4 more threats. Come with me. The 5th threat to success of businesses is poor management and leadership skills. To avoid your business slipping towards decline, you need to be a good manager of the organization and all its offerings, of the business systems, procedures, and operations, and of all costs. Perhaps more importantly, you need to be a good leader of people. What are you doing to enhance the value-adding capability of your employees? For a great team, you need to spend time and resources making your employees better. Watch staff turnover. It is expensive. You need to rate skill higher than educational qualification. A person can have so many university degree certificates, yet not be able to deliver value. A good leader is set apart by his care for his people. To make it through any crisis, focus on good management. And I must say, entrepreneurs face a lot of crises. To be successful, you need to cross a jungle that can destroy you. Therefore, you need to have in your team those who think differently, who can see what you do not. Empower people, listen to them, delegate. People respond better when you are not breathing down their necks. Keep your promises and be decisive, even when you do not know what you are doing, so that those who follow are confident that the one in charge can be an effective guide. Clarity is an important leadership attribute so that others know what you expect of them. Upgrade your skills. Be proficient in communication. You need to connect with people even if you are a shy person. Learn how to transfer emotions of certainty. Be convinced with absolute certainty, no doubt in your mind, that your product is the best deal for the client's money. Sharpen your negotiation skills. If you cannot afford to attend courses, read books. There is a lot of free material online. Search. The 6th threat is disdain of the customer. The cheapest way to advertise is through a satisfied customer. Know your internal and external customers. Those who try your products or services because of adverse market conditions will stay with you when conditions improve. Give your customers a real reason to stick with you, to be loyal. The world seeks people with integrity and character. Therefore, deliver value on every opportunity. It will not be ignored. Do your very best in every endeavor, never forgetting that you are always on display, an ambassador representing your name and your gods. Get quality feedback from employees and clients. Create time to answer questions. Do not ignore their comments and contributions. Stakeholder buy-in is key. Set big goals that attract people. It keeps them focused and retains them. You can achieve much in decades with the same set of people. People love to be part of something bigger than them. Define your circle of competence. You do not have to be an expert at everything. Stay around the spots in which you are smart and delegate other functions to skilled persons. You Get what you spend your time doing. Time is seed invested. It bears fruit of what you spend it on. Pursue meaningful relationship with internal and external customers. A business leader whose company is built on people will want to make their lives easier because he genuinely cares for them. The janitor is equal to the president, so treat them equally. Nurture great relationships. You are in business to serve. Threat number 7. Indiscipline and divergent focus. Entrepreneurs need be disciplined and stay focused on their goals. One thing and put all your energy into it. Make that one thing your priority and stick with it. When you start, establish and prove your competence, diligence, just keep reapplying the profit into the business. Failure only means that you have learned how not to do it. You need the right mindset to produce. You need be willing to try new things. Working like someone is always trying to take it all away from you. Failure is only an experiment. Be prepared to fail a lot. Work hard and smart. Be willing to make the required sacrifices and do all that is necessary to build wealth and grow faster than your peers. A disciplined person knows he cannot consume what he makes. A time will come when he can buy what he wants. He knows that not all money that comes into the business is available to spend anyhow. Here's a quote by Tony Elumelu. Do not consume all that you get. If you earn $1 and do not save part of it, when you earn $1 billion, you will not save any of it. Solve problems throughout your day, starting with the most difficult. Every problem is an opportunity to be creative. Be mission-driven. Solve the bigger problems first. Big problems involve much hard work that can make a huge difference. Therefore, they attract many helpers and they raise excitement levels. Choose to do the hard things. Adversity teaches us to get back up after a fall. Be proud of your hard work and choices. But if you are not proficient in navigating the chaotic business world, be great at the small things, and the bigger ones will open up to you. With a little discipline, you do little things. With a lot of discipline, you do many things. Without discipline, you do nothing. Organize yourself in order to do the job at hand. Make the right personal choices. Set priorities. Discipline knows that if this does not work out, no other options are on the table. There is no alternative. Threat number 8 are external forces that can cause your business not to thrive. Sometimes it's government policy. Sometimes the environment is difficult for doing business. Sometimes you have issues with your suppliers, your distribution agents, and other outsourced functions. And sometimes, it's the unforeseen. Nothing prepared us for the kind of disruption that COVID-19 pandemic left the world. Family life disrupted, community life, work, healthcare, business. All of these disruptions, even global economies were disrupted. The COVID-19 and the subsisting lockdown impacted every facet of human existence. It exposed our many inadequacies. It forced change on us. Many are no longer insensitive to the needs of others. Love, empathy, humanity are restored to a large extent. Many return to God, having previously left Him out of their affairs, some out of fear, and others because they saw His hand in their survival and they feel drawn to Him. But you know what? These are all attributes of our humanity we should never have lost in the first place. You should know that the fifth principle to realize the strategic intent of your business is divided into 3 parts. Next session, we will be shining the light on you, the business leader, and we'll be discussing the wrong decisions and actions you may have taken. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for your time.